The Skytech Gaming Azure 3 Plus is built for players and creators who want a system that can handle everything from competitive esports to the most demanding AAA titles at high resolutions. With the Intel Ultra 7 265K processor and NVIDIA RTX 5070 graphics card at its core, this PC blends next-generation performance with a design that looks as good as it performs. Starting with the processor, the Intel Ultra 7 265K offers clock speeds up to 5.4 GHz, giving it the kind of responsiveness that gamers and multitaskers crave. It's a hybrid CPU, optimized for both raw gaming speed and multitasking efficiency, which means you can play, stream, and run background applications all at once without slowing down. Paired with the RTX 5070 you're getting a graphics card with 16 GB of video memory that can handle modern games at 1440p and 4K with ray tracing and DLSS enabled. This combination is powerful enough not just for today's titles, but also for the next generation of releases coming over the horizon. The memory and storage setup shows how future-proof this machine is. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz, you have the headroom to handle heavy multitasking, demanding creative software, and games that require a large amount of memory. The 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast load times, near-instant boot-up, and plenty of storage for your entire game library. Compared to older SATA or even Gen3 SSDs, the Gen4 drive makes everything feel more immediate and responsive. Cooling is another highlight. The 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid cooler ensures the Ultra 7 processor runs at its best without throttling. Paired with Skytech's well-ventilated case design and synchronized RGB lighting, the Azure 3 Plus doesn't just stay cool. It looks stunning while doing it. Whether it's on your desk or under it, the build quality and lighting make it a centerpiece in any setup. The power supply is an 850-watt gold-rated ATX3 unit, which means you're getting efficient, reliable power delivery that's ready for future upgrades. This matters when you're investing in a gaming PC because stability and longevity depend heavily on a strong power foundation. Skytech builds their systems with quality components so you can trust them to perform day in and day out. Connectivity is comprehensive. Built-in Wi-Fi keeps you ready for fast, stable online gaming, while multiple ports ensure you can hook up external monitors, VR headsets, or all the peripherals you need for your setup. And with Windows 11 pre-installed, you're stepping right into the latest gaming features, including auto HDR and direct storage support, which helps games load even faster. Picture yourself diving into a high-refresh competitive shooter like Apex Legends or Valorant, taking full advantage of the RTX 5070 Ti's ability to deliver hundreds of frames per second. Then switch gears into cinematic single-player games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Assassin's Creed Mirage and watch them run at high resolutions with ray tracing that makes every light source and reflection look lifelike. For creators, whether you're editing video, rendering 3D models, or streaming to a live audience, the Azure 3 Plus handles it all without compromise. What really makes this system appealing is how balanced it is. Some PCs emphasize raw graphics power but cut corners on cooling or memory. Others load up on storage but skimp on the processor. Here, every part of the system, from the Ultra 7 CPU to the 5070 GPU, the 32GB DDR5 memory, the massive 2TB SSD, and the 360mm liquid cooler, works together to deliver a machine that feels premium and complete. At the end of the day, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 Plus isn't just another pre-built. It's a system engineered for gamers who want reliability, aesthetics, and serious performance right out of the box. With its Intel Ultra 7 processor, RTX 5070 graphics, generous memory and storage, and sleek liquid cooling, this desktop is built to deliver a high-end experience today and remain capable for years to come.